Let's take a look inside the box for Yokohama, published by TMG, a 2 to 4 player game that runs about 90 to probably 90 minutes, 2 hours. So here's the instructions. They show, I guess they have a lot of detailed examples, hopefully good instructions. Some nice looking tokens, which all need to be punched out. We have some of the, I guess, bigger management boards. Since this gameplay is much like Istanbul, but bigger and more complex, it's going to have a lot of these like little square boards, and I guess tokens. Take a look at those. The art in this is all actually really well done. Maybe I kind of regret not having the deluxe version of this. And let's see what else. So this looks like a scoring track, which I guess is okay. And some cards. Order cards, I guess. And just some cubes and pawns, which maybe they could have done a fancier job with. Tons of bags. That's a lot of bags, actually. So there you have it. That is what's in the box for Yokohama. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos. Please like this video, and please subscribe.